How to buy Kylie token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research, and also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply just go below, find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now before you go down buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. This token, as you can see, released 6 hours ago and increased by 81,000% in the last 24 hours. This token #1 trending on the base section. To be able to buy this token, click here to copy the token address and open your WeEX wallet. For that, go to your wallet and select the base as a network from here. As you can see, click on this plus icon to add this token to your wallet. Now paste the token address here. Now click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find your token that just added called Kylie. So after you find it, click on it. Now here click on swap, switch from here, and from the top select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDC, and after that type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive that token, as you can see here. Now here click on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy Kylie token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.